Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential problem. So we have 5 to the power of 100 minus 5 to the power of 99. And what we're first going to do is we're going to expand this a little bit. Why don't we change the 5 to the power of 100 into 5 to the power of 99 plus 1? All we're doing is changing this exponent 100 into 99 plus 1, which is all completely legal. And we're still subtracting this with 5 to the power of 99. We're not changing anything with that. All right, so now that we have this, we're going to use an important property of exponents. Let's say we have a to the power of m plus n. A property of exponents, an important property of exponents, states that this is also written as a to the power of m times a to the power of n. Because remember, when we're multiplying exponents with the same bases, we add the exponents together and keep the base. And we're essentially reversing this when we're using this. So let's convert 5 to the power of 99 plus 1 into 5 to the power of 99 times 5 to the power of 1. And we're still subtracting this with 5 to the power of 99. All right, so now that we have this, what we're going to do is, because we have two 5 to the power of 99s, why don't we factor that out? We're going to factor out 5 to the power of 99. So we're going to do 5 to the power of 99 times 5 to the power of 99 times 5 to the power of 1 divided by 5 to the power of 99 is simply just 5 to the power of 1 minus 5 to the power of 99 divided by 5 to the power of 99 is simply 1. Now, 5 to the power of 1 is just 5, so this is essentially asking 5 minus 1, which is 4. So we have 4 times 5 to the power of 99. And this is actually the most we can simplify it with a human, because to find the exact answer of this, I mean, not even an actual calculator could do that. We would have to use a scientific calculator. So this is the most exact answer we can do. Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation with, as you can see, two different bases. So what our first step is going to be is we're going to expand our right-hand side here. We have 5 to the power of x plus 2. And remember, let's say we have a to the power of b plus c. An important property of exponents is that we can change this into a to the power of b times a to the power of c. Because remember, when we're multiplying exponents, we add these two. So all we're doing is we're simply reversing this. So that's what we're going to do to 5 to the power of x plus 2. We're going to reverse it back to its original form and expand it. So 5 in this case is a, right? So we have 5 to the power of b is x, times 5 again to the power of c, which is 2. And this is still equal to 2 to the power of x. Now, 5 squared, as we all know, is 25, right? So this is 5x times 25 equals 2 to the power of x. Now what we're going to do is we're going to divide both sides by 5 to the power of x. So if we divide both sides by 5 to the power of x, well, for this side, these two will cancel out. So on our right-hand side, we'll just have 25. And on our left-hand side, we'll have 2x over 5 to the power of x. And this can actually be written as 2 over 5 whole power x. And this is equal to 25. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take the log base 2/5 of both sides. So we're going to take the log base 2/5 of both sides. Well, these two actually cancel out because remember, the log is the inverse of an exponent. So because this is base 2/5, these two are going to cancel out. So on our left-hand side, we have x equals, and on our right-hand side, we have log base 2/5 25. And this is actually equal to, using the change of base formula, which is an important property of logarithms, log 25 over log 2/5. The change of base formula states that if we have a logarithm like this, log of this so this equals log of this over the log of the base. So now this can be converted to, let me write this over here, log 5 squared, because we're simply changing the 25 to a 5 squared, over log 2 minus log 5. Remember, when we're subtracting logarithms, we divide. So we're simply just inversing that. So log 2 minus log 5. And this, an important property of logarithms, the power property, states that we can just drop down the exponent here in front of the log. So this can equal 2 log 5 over log 2 minus log 5. And this is our answer in its simplest form. If we want a more simpler form, we need to use a calculator for that, but this is the most simplest form we can write our answer in.